Hey guys, Brian here from Liquid Concepts. So you've already probably saw the mirror that we just did, the cover, the light that goes on top of the mirror and everything, and then also the Ford Raptor grill that we just did. So we got another mirror just the same. We're going to do something a little bit different. Beforehand on the other videos we already had the film sitting in the water. So here's a good trick if you have trouble trying to get like a larger piece in the water, or it's just really wrinkling up on you or something like that and you can't really get it over with one person into the tank. We'll go ahead and show you how to do that. So first thing is you want to make sure that the tank itself is all dry. You can see right now we've got water all over it because we've been using it, of course. So we're going to take our paper towel here and wipe this all down really good so that way we don't have any water, and also wipe the front of it down so that way there's no water that's going to stick at all to the front of the tank or the top of the tank. So now that we've got that all nice and dry, we're going to take our film, make sure you got the right way that needs to go up on top of the water, and what we're going to do is we're actually going to roll this into the water. So we're going to come over, let it drop. Once it hits like that, we'll pull it out and bam, there you go. You now have film on top of the water with, of course, no bubbles, which is awesome. All right, so we'll let the film do its thing right here. Looks like we got a little bit of a line right there. We'll pull that out right quick. You can blow on it if you want, or easiest thing to do, just make sure you don't spray the activator, of course, is spray the air down with your activator gun and it'll take it right away. So we'll go ahead, we'll move this film in down here. Now it looks like it's not going, so we'll just move the dams over. Pull this dam over here and we'll pull this in, get it nice and contained. So now whenever we activate it, that film can't move anywhere else. All right, so now that we've got all of our film contained, we got everything sitting in the water, we got our timer started, we're going to grab some gloves and we'll get started with this. Turn that thing off. All right, so spray this. And again, remember to keep the same distance and the same speed all the way across every pass of film. That way you get a more consistent coverage and you get a better activization, whatever it activates it better. Whatever that word is, I can't remember it right now. So, all right, so we'll take this again just like we did the last time. I'm gonna do this with two hands instead of one. And we're going to go in at that corner again, and so we'll go in at that corner like that, roll it in, and there we go. So we'll bring that back out, show you guys what it looks like, and looks like everything hit really well all the way around. I think this customer is going to be really pleased with what we got. So until next time, we'll see you guys later.